Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce supply chain costs with FedEx step by step clearly. Identify your current supply chain costs by reviewing shipping expenses. Gather data on transportation, packaging, and handling costs. Analyze shipping routes to determine inefficiencies. Consider the volume of packages and shipping frequencies. Compare your shipping methods to identify the most cost-effective options. Assess FedEx's services to find the right solutions for your business needs. Explore FedEx Ground for cost-effective domestic shipping options. Utilize FedEx Express for time-sensitive shipments where necessary. Take advantage of FedEx SmartPost for lower-cost delivery when speed is less critical. Set up a FedEx account to gain access to discounts and rewards. Experiment with different packaging sizes to optimize shipping costs. Use FedEx's online tools, such as the Rate Finder, to calculate shipping rates in real time. Implement a shipping strategy that determines when to consolidate shipments. Review your shipping frequency to see if fewer, larger shipments could be more economical. Consider FedEx's end-to-end visibility features to monitor shipments closely. Adjust your delivery schedules based on peak times to avoid extra fees. Communicate with your suppliers about shipping processes and cost-saving measures. Keep track of any changes in shipping regulations or rates that could affect costs. Regularly review your shipping metrics to identify areas for improvement. Engage with a FedEx representative for tailored advice on your supply chain needs. Stay updated on FedEx promotions or discounts that can further reduce costs. Take the time to educate your team on efficient shipping practices. Conduct periodic reviews of your shipping strategy for ongoing optimization. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce supply chain costs with FedEx. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.